Want crystal clear footage and full protection on the road? Today, I'll show you the top 5 dash cams on Amazon in 2025, from powerful 4K recorders to feature-packed triple-channel cams. Let's get started. Whether it's for insurance claims, capturing road trips, or keeping your car protected 24/7, the right dash cam makes all the difference today. I'll review the top 5 best dash cams on Amazon in 2025, breaking down their key features, real reviews, and pros, so you can pick the one that's perfect for your needs. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. OMBAR T1 4K. The OMBAR T1 is a 3-channel dash cam featuring Starvis 2 IMX678 sensors, 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p resolution, HDR night vision, 5G Wi-Fi, and support for up to 512 GB storage. It even comes with a free 128 GB card included. Reviews? Drivers rave about its clear day and night recording and the full-color HDR night vision, making it a great choice for safety. Pros? Triple-channel recording, front, inside, rear. Starvis 2 sensors for crisp detail. Free 128 GB card included. Reliable 24H parking mode. Number 2. ROVE R2-4K. The ROVE R2-4K Pro records at 2160p UHD, has built-in GPS, 5G Wi-Fi, a 2.4 IPS screen, wide 150 degrees angle lens, night vision, and parking mode, with support for up to 512 GB storage. Reviews? Buyers love the ROVE app connectivity and the accurate GPS tracking, which is great for road trips and city driving. Pros? Stunning 4K video. Built-in GPS with accurate mapping. 5G Wi-Fi plus app control. Wide-angle lens. Number 3. VANTRUE N4. The VANTRUE N4 is a triple-channel dash cam recording in 4K front plus 1080p rear plus 1440p cabin, with IR night vision, 24-hour parking mode, and capacitor-based power for durability. Reviews? Users highlight its taxi Uber-friendly design, perfect for capturing front, rear, and inside footage. Pros? Triple-channel coverage. Infrared cabin night vision. Capacitor-powered, handles heat better. Great for rideshare drivers. Number 4. 4K plus 4K dash cam. This dual dash cam offers 4K plus 4K ultra clear front and rear recording, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, a 3 IPS screen, and comes with a free 128 GB card. Reviews? Drivers love the dual 4K quality and say the footage is sharp enough to capture license plates even at night. Pros? Dual 4K recording. GPS plus, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Free 128 GB card. 170 degrees wide-angle coverage. Number 5. 4K dash cam, 64 GB. This dash cam provides 4K front and full HD rear recording, with built-in 5G Wi-Fi, GPS, a 3.59 IPS screen, and comes with a 64 GB card included. It also features WDR, night vision, and parking monitor mode. Reviews? Owners say it's great value for money, with reliable performance and easy setup. Pros? 4K UHD recording. GPS plus Wi-Fi. WDR for clear video in any light. Comes with 64 GB card. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that's our list of the top 5 best dash cams on Amazon in 2025. If you want the most advanced triple-channel coverage, go for the OMBAR T1 or VANTRUE N4. If you prefer dual 4K clarity, the 4K plus 4K model is a solid choice. For GPS and app control at a great price, the ROVE R2-4K Pro is hard to beat. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest tech reviews every week. Question for you. Would you go for triple-channel coverage or stick with a simpler dual dash cam? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.